Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this lip syncing photo on CapCut PC. Select your photo like so. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger than this and make sure your face is crystal clear. Select the lip sync one and then you can either add an audio or enter your own text with the voice that they have on CapCut. I'm just going to say hello, have a nice day. And then you can choose from the voices. I'll do, I don't know, academic male. You can also either, sorry, you can also either select the standard or vivid model. I'll just do the standard one and I'm going to select generate. You do need credits for this and you'll need the pro feature. Actually, I think you just need credits for this one. Wait for it to process. The second one does take longer, but it's, I guess, more expressionate. Is that even a word? It just looks like he has more expressions, I guess, when he talks. So just gonna wait for this to load. If it does take a long time, I might do it. I might like pause the video first and then record again. Okay, it's taking too long. I'm just gonna pause it and I'll be right back with the finished results. And this is the final result. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!